With today's lightweight components, torque wrench use is no longer an option, it's a must for every mechanic. The TW 5.2 ratcheting click-type torque wrench is designed for lower torque settings used on many bike components. The 3/8-inch drive allows for quick compatibility with Park Tool bits and sockets. The TW 5.2 reads and registers both left and right-hand threading. The dial adjustment system is precise and easy to use. The included table allows quick conversions between Newton meters and inch pounds, and it comes in its own protective case.